Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you are just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how I do my bathing soap with natural ingredients. Some of the world's top beauty ingredients aren't made in the lab. They are found in nature, such as plants, fruits and herbs. So without much talking, let's get into the main video. The first ingredient and the most important ingredient in this soap recipe is carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamins such as vitamin C and A. You may have noticed that many skincare products contain vitamin A in the form of retinoid and tretinoid. Vitamin A promotes firm, elastic, and healthy skin. Carotenoid in carrots will protect your skin from UV damage and improve skin appearance. The beta carotene that gives carrots their orange color, that orange color that carrots has, will brighten your skin and make it glow. What I'm trying to explain here is that the beta carotene that makes carrots become orange will help brighten your skin if added to maybe your soap or your cream, but soap in this case. So get your glow on by bathing with this carrot soap. The next ingredient is lemon. Lemon is also important in this recipe. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant which help reduce skin damage and premature aging. The astringent quality of lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. Lemon juice also has antifungal properties, which has the ability to kill off candida fungal strains on the skin. It also acts as a skin lightening agent. Lemon contains acids that have the ability to naturally lighten the skin and acne scars. However, an improper usage of lemon can damage your skin, so don't overdo it. One medium-sized lemon is okay in this recipe. The next ingredient is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil contains high levels of vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, which has high antioxidant properties and has shown to contribute to the reduction of damaged cells from free radicals in the body. The fatty acid in grapeseed oil helps reduce inflammation in the skin's middle and outer layers, which helps to even out skin tone. The next ingredient is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil naturally deters microbes, helping to prevent the growth of bacteria on the skin. Putting jojoba oil on your skin helps soothe and moisturize your skin without even making it look oily. It also helps prevent acne caused by clogged pores. You don't have to add a lot of carrier oil to this recipe. If you have just one carrier oil, then it is okay, but if you are like me, I'm a little bit extra and I have different types of oils, and I know they will be beneficial to my skin, so that was why I added multiple oils in this soap. But if you just have one carrier oil, let's say coconut oil or olive oil, you are good to go. You are okay. Just one carrier oil is okay. And the reason why I added jojoba oil to this soap is because it also acts as a natural preservative, so that was why I added it to the soap. The next ingredient is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very important in this soap making, so make sure you have vitamin E oil either in the capsule form, the one that is not in a rubber like this. So just make sure you have a vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to reduce inflammation. It also acts as an anti-aging. The moisturizing benefits of vitamin E oil helps the skin look more youthful and less wrinkled. It also prevents flaky skin and itching, which may be associated with eczema. So if you have really dry skin, you might want to add vitamin E oil to your cream or your soap, and I promise you, you'll be glad you did. The next ingredient is orange essential oil, which has antibacterial qualities. Antibacterial and antifungal properties of this oil are great for skin, especially if you commonly suffer from bacterial conditions such as acne or fungal condition or even eczema. Like any skin problem, it will be good to add this orange essential oil if you are dealing with any skin issue. The next ingredients are tea tree oil and lavender oil. They are both essential oils and they have many benefits for the skin. It can be used to treat conditions and symptoms that affect skin, nails and hair. It can also be used as a scent. In this case, I only used these essential oils as scents for this soap. This is the soap I use, the Dove Sensitive Skin Micellar one. This is just an ordinary soap. You can use any type of soap. This one has no scent or anything whatsoever, so you can use any ordinary soap, but make sure it doesn't have any kind of fragrance or anything. Just basic soap will do for this soap. And the last ingredient on this list is honey. Honey contains natural enzymes that can help remove dead cells on the skin. So I added it to this ingredient to act as a natural exfoliator for the skin. So we all know all the ingredients that are going into this soap making. With that being said, let's get into making the soap itself. So I washed my lemon and my carrots, and I went ahead to peel the back of my carrots. For the carrots, I'm using 3 large sized carrots, and I'll go ahead to chop it like so, just to chop it in bits so that my blender will be able to blend it properly. So after chopping it, I set that aside, and this is the grater that I'll be using. I'll just take out the back part, the plate that is attached to it, and use this kind of grater, the small place, to grate your soap so that it will melt easily. Because if you use the large part of the grater, your soap won't melt easily. It will stay longer on heat. Like, you don't want this soap to stay too much on the stove. And then I'll go ahead and blend my carrots. I poured my carrots into my blender and used 3 cups of hot water to blend the carrots. The reason why I used hot water to blend my carrot is so that the carrot juice temperature will blend with the dissolved soap temperature. I don't know if I'm making sense. The reason why I'm using hot water to blend my carrot is so that when I poured it into my melted soap, it will be of the same temperature. Yeah, so after blending the carrots, I went ahead to sieve it, poured the blended carrots into my sieve and sieve it, and then I'll set that aside. Using the double boiler method, I placed my soap on my pot, and then I'll go ahead to add hot just 1 cup of warm water. Yeah, not hot water, 1 cup of warm water, and stir properly. Then I went ahead to add my my carrot juice. As I've when I was explaining, I told you guys that I blended my carrots with hot water. This is the reason why, so that the temperature will match up with my blended soap. You don't want to use cold water because it will make your soap go cold, and we don't want that. So after adding the carrot juice, I started adding my ingredients. I squeezed in one medium to large sized lemon into the mixture. Then I added some vitamin E oil. You guys will see all the things that I'm adding. I don't have to do voiceover for this part. And I added like 1 tablespoon, no, one teaspoon of jojoba oil, because I'll be adding a lot of oils, so I'm just putting it little by little. You don't want to add too much oil to this soap. And I also added 1 tablespoon of my Greek honey to the mixture as well. Orange, I added 4 drops of the orange essential oil, and also added 4 drops of my tea tree oil, 4 drops of the lavender essential oil as well. So after adding all your ingredients, you just continue to stir at interval and wait for everything to mix properly. As you can see, there are no particles, nothing in the soap anymore. That means it is ready. You don't want it to stay longer than normal on the double boiler, so you just take it off. And this is the next day. I allowed it to cool down, so this is the next day, and as you can see guys, it is really creamy. It came out beautifully. I've been doing this for a while now, so I'm used to doing it. I quickly want to put this out there. This soap is not a bleaching soap. This is just to bring out your natural color. You know, as women of color, we pigment, and as this, we get darker than our actual colors. So this soap is just to bring out your natural color. This soap is so nice. It leaves your skin moisturized, and I'll just like for you guys to try it out just once. So this is my container, my OG container, and with the use of my funnel, I'll go ahead and transfer the soap into my container. So that is it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and also share with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.